Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about parameterization. So now I will show you how to answer. The formula of this one, that should be like this. First, that's about the value of the point and the vector in here. Now, the line goes through the point B0, negative number 2, 0, number 3. So negative number 2 we put in here. Number 0 we put in here. And number 3 we put in here. And the vector we have 5, 5, negative number 5. We change for this one in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.